Hi, my name is Ilya Chmykh and I work as a RF development specialist at Elspec Group. We are now located in Hamburg, Germany at DESY. DESY is one of the biggest scientific and research centers in Europe, and exactly here on this campus Elspec has its measurement stations. In practice, cables don't perfectly block all the interference. Some noise can still couple through the outer shield to the inner conductor and vice versa. Our COMET system helps us to identify that coupling via transverse impedance and screening attenuation metrics. Behind me you can see our second measurement setup. With this setup we measure how phase stable our cable assemblies are against humidity. In this chamber, where our cable is stored, our DUT, device under test, humidity is always changing. And in this one, where we have the network analyzer, the temperature and humidity is always stable to avoid the influence of changing temperature and humidity. Elspec customers always have different requirements for the cables. One of the most popular one is a requirement for a temperature. For this we made this special test setup where we have a temperature chamber that can go from -40 degrees to plus 180 degrees, which allows us to test how the cables withstand these jumps in temperature or this stable high temperature or the low temperature, of course.
Many customers required for their application non-magnetic materials and components, and so we have to test our cables as well. How much can the cable magnetize, or is it unmagnetic? So we have here our magnetoscope. Stable measurement is around 1 nanotesla, and then we can see how high is a magnetic field. And with that one we can decide if this cable is non-magnetic or not. Many want to know what is the performance of this cable at quiet temperature, and so we do now set up a measurement system where we can measure also the parameter of the cable when we cool it down to 4 Kelvin.
So, if it's important for you to have a very precise analysis of the shielding of your cable assemblies, please contact us. We are always happy to help you.